Everyone, welcome back. And today I'm here just to tell something that I want to share with you. That is, I have just finished with this book that is The Girl on the Train, written by Paula Hawkins, which is one of the first psychological thriller that I have experienced. And yes, I'm someone who cannot store something for a long time inside me. Like if I watch any movie or kind of like read any books, I cannot store the story inside me. I have to tell someone, so I'm telling you. So you have to listen, okay? So this is a book which is written in a diary way format, where all the female characters just write what they are actually doing in their life, their past experiences, their present experiences, their traumas, everything they share through in this novel in the format of a diary. So the main character is Rachel, who herself is the girl on the train, who witnessed a lot of things, the mystery, suspense, and everything, because she's full of what do you say stories, but no one to listen actually. And you will know this by getting it. All right. And there are also characters like Anna, Megan, and many male characters are there. You will get to know that. But the real of this book is that it's full of mystery and full of human emotions and full of things that we actually need to know about. We need to feel everything. All right. Because this book is not only about mystery. Here you can get that emotions can control a human from inside. You cannot like if you focus on those people facing anxiety or this like depression kind of, you cannot control them or they even cannot control themselves. So this is one something like that. So you have to get this book, you have to read this book, then you will realize there are movies, I think, on this book that is available on Netflix, I guess. So you can get, but reading this book is something else. So I will definitely suggest you to read this book, know what is about it, and just feel what I'm feeling right now. Okay, thank you.